July was a month where global events overshadowed market fundamentals. While Indian equities ended largely flat amid geopolitical tensions, resilient earnings, supportive valuations, and improving domestic fundamentals continue to shape the outlook ahead. Flat month dominated by West Asia conflict. Indian equities ended July broadly flat as the West Asia conflict re-escalated, briefly driving crude to $100 per barrel before it moderated by month-end, leaving the inflation fallout as the key variable for RBI's next policy move. Earnings stayed resilient, but the real cost test is still ahead. Q1 FY 2027 saw broad-based revenue and profit growth with margins largely intact. However, the full impact of crisis-driven input cost inflation, cement, autos, capital goods, chemicals, is likely to surface only in coming quarters as companies exhaust cheaper stocked inventory. Sector picture was mixed but constructive. Autos gained from GST relief and strong EM exports. Banks saw healthy loan growth offset by elevated deposit costs, with FCNR flows a potential relief. IT protected margins amid weak discretionary demand, while building AI pipelines. FMCG showed early volume recovery, and pharma navigated a US generic normalization alongside a proposed but 2-year-out tariff overhang. 4 near-term swing factors to watch: the durability of the West Asia de-escalation, crude being India's single biggest growth/inflation lever, moderation in FY 27 EEPS from limited cost pass-through, the progress and spread of this year's monsoon after 2 strong rural years, and the FPI trajectory as slowing global AI stock growth makes India's earnings look relatively reasonable. Valuations are turning supportive. Stagger your entry. Despite near-term geopolitical volatility, large caps in particular now trade below long-term averages, and short-term disruptions have limited bearing on intrinsic business value, arguing for a staggered/phased allocation to equities to capitalize on favorable valuations and volatility.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.